Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your ChatGPT account. So if you recently created an account and you want to start using ChatGPT, you'll need to first log into your account if you have logged out. So open up your web browser and then in the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. Now once you do that, you'll land on this interface where you can now click on login, or if you don't yet have an account, you can also click on sign up and create an account. Once you click on the login option, a login box will open up where you can now start by typing in your email address, or if you used your Google account or your Microsoft account to create an account, then you can choose one of these and then easily log in. But if you use your email address, you type it in and then click on I'm not a robot and verify yourself. After that, click on continue. Now you need to type in your password. Make sure your password is correct. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in. Or if you don't remember it, you can click on forgot password. From there, you'd be able to reset and recover. After you filled in both these boxes, click on continue. There you go. You have been now successfully logged in to your ChatGPT account. I hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want more of these videos, also hit that notification bell. I'll be back with more interesting videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.